What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here. I'm just making a quick video on basically some trades I pulled just recently. So right now, I actually went into a Nadex trade um, at this same level. Basically, actually, I got it that it has to stay below 110.40 until 3 p.m. tomorrow. So I just went ahead and jumped in that same trade at 110.28 on the Forex trade. So I'm pretty sure it's going to go down. And like you can see, if you had a normal Forex account, and this is from LQDFX, so if you had $1,000 account, you can do a zero point 0.3 lot size trade. I'm up $71 on the trade as of now. So right now I'm up around about 26, 27 pips. So the same thing, it's the same trades, one standard lot. So if you was in the one standard lot trade and get the same trade, right now I'm about $238. So if you can do one standard lot with a $5,000 account, which is pretty safe for with the leverage size that they're giving you on this account. And for these other trades, I've been in trades for a while. The swaps are pretty high right now. With the USD, the S&P 500, I'm pretty sure it's going to keep going down. I'm going to end up making profit on these trades because you can see this uptrend is just ridiculous, and right now it's just not really staying up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stay these trades. Most likely gonna pull out those trades, and I'm trying to make like $30,000 on these trades together. All these trades combined. See, I did went pretty heavy, 10 lot sizes for each trade. So let's see. Actually, I think I had 4 before, but I jumped out one of the trades. Let's see. Count history. So yeah, I had these. So basically, as you can see, so far this month, on this demo account, I have made $8,104. So one of these trades, Euro GBP, actually hit my take profit. The other ones I just took profit as needed. This was one for today. I made $1,000 today. I was trading 2 lot sizes on the S&P 500, so it went up, and then right before the FMOC news came out, so I jumped in at 27.91. It fell down to 27.80. As you see, it's only 5 pips away from where it was at, so I could have stayed in it longer and made a little bit more money, but I didn't. It wasn't that important to me to do that. So as you can see, if this was a normal Forex account, I'll be up pretty good. This account was basically made like last month on first, so this is like 1 month, 14 days old. And if we look at the account sizes, it started out at $100,000. So in 1 month, 14 days, I have made $30,000, which is actually not bad. That's 30%. And less than 2 months or whatever. So it's not really bad. So especially if, like, say you was just living off of maybe $4,000 a month or whatever. So 2 months periods, you only spend $8,000 if you was living off the money. So the account will still be up, and you'll still be grinding it and pushing the account up. And that's the whole importance on about opening up a large Forex account. It's because you have the capital to do the trades that you want to do and actually make the money that you want to. So of course, you know, as you guys know, if you had a larger account than $100,000, you can make some pretty decent money. It's quite possible that a person can make like $20,000 to $30,000 a month trading the Forex markets, and barely trading. You can get less than 200 pips a month and still make money like that. So, but you got to have a large account to do something like that. You got to know what you're doing So because most Forex traders, they do not make it in these markets. So yeah, well, right now I'm in a normal S&P 500 trade. I mean, um, this trade right here, this is using thickness swap charts to see. This is that jump from FMOC news today. Uh, Made a high and fell right back down. It started crashing down, crashing down. Hopefully this stays down. This is a 15-minute chart. So this is a 4-hour chart. Hopefully it stays down for 2 more hours at 3 o'clock p.m. The next day. And that way we'll continue to make money. So at the very minimum, what you want to do is like say when you first start now, especially in Nedex, if you have an account size that's at least $600 in your account, you should be able to make $250 a week. You should be able to do that. Maybe in a few trades, maybe in 2 trades, maybe 3 trades, but you should be able to make $250 a week. So that's really $1,000 in a month. So if you're don't want to go that strong or whatever like that, then you can just make, say, double your account in a month. So that's like $150 a week. So in reality, making $600 a month isn't that bad. You won't be able to live your life where you want to live if you wanted to quit your job, or if you won't be able to quit your job or anything like that. But you'll be able to really grow your account and start really growing to that point, because if you double your account in that month, you end up with $1,200 in the month, right? So maybe the next month you start making that $250 a week. So you end up making $1,000. Second month, you're at $2,200 in just 2 months or whatever. Yeah, $2,200. So you just keep on with that type of deal. So yeah. So that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to get a consistent growth and be consistent and making at least $4,500 a month that I could actually take out of my account for living expenses. So I want to do that consistently. I want to do it for like 6 months straight. And you want to know, well, how much is that? So $4,500 times 6. So in a 6-month period, end up making $27,000. So, which is not bad. So it ends up that I'm making over $50,000 a year that I'm pulling out of extra money. So I can easily just live off of that and do whatever I want with that money. But anyway, that's what I want to show you guys, that anything's possible as long as you put your mind to it. And as always, keep trying hard and let's keep making money. All right, peace.